What's the meaning of broer? Broer. Broer.
Broer. Broer. The word broer is a Dutch term that translates to brother in English. It is commonly used as an address to refer to a male sibling or a close male friend, similar to how the word bro is used in American English. The term is often used colloquially and can denote a sense of camaraderie or a close bond between individuals. However, the term can also be used more broadly to refer to any male individual, regardless of whether or not they are related or familiar with the speaker.